Hello everyone! In this video, we'll be solving absolute value equations. And so you'll learn the rules in solving absolute value equations. And so before we attempt solving these equations, so what is an absolute value? Let's say if we have here absolute value of 2, what does it mean by that? Absolute value of 2 is 2. And how about absolute value of negative 3? Absolute value of negative 3 is 3. So the value of an absolute value cannot be negative. So we have, if we have 0, absolute value of 0, that is equal to 0. But never can be equal to a negative number. How about if we have an equation, let's say absolute value of x is equal to 4. What are the possible values of x? So we have here x can be positive 4 and x can be negative 4, such that if we set the absolute value of 4 is 4 and the absolute value of negative 4 is also 4. So now we're going to solve absolute value equations. And so let's start on the one on top. So we have here the absolute value of x plus 3 equals 5. So first we set x plus 3 equals to 5. And the other value of that is x plus 3 equals negative 5. So here solve for the value of x. Transpose 3 to the right hand side. So x is equals to 5 minus 3. So x is equal to 2. And here on the other side, transpose positive 3 to the other side, so we have x is equal to negative 5 minus 3, so we have x is equals negative 8. Now let's go to the second equation. So we have here absolute value of x squared minus 2 equals 4. So first we have to set these two values of the inside function. So we have x squared minus 2 equals 4 and x squared minus 2 equals negative 4. So for x, so transpose negative 2 to the other side, so x squared equals 4 plus 2. So x squared is equals to 6. Square root both sides, so we have x is equal to positive negative is square root of 6. So the other value, so we have putting negative 2 to the other side, so we have x squared is equals minus 4 plus 2. So x squared is equals negative 2. Taking the square root of both sides of the equation, so we have x is equal to positive negative square root of 2 times square root of negative 1. And here I is equals the square root of negative 1. So we have x is equal to positive negative square root of 2 times I. So these are the answers. Now let's go to the third equation. So we have 2 times the absolute value of x plus 3 plus 2 equals 8. So first transpose the constant 2 to the right. So we have 2 times the absolute value of x plus 3 equals 8 minus 2. So 2 times the absolute value of x plus 3 equals 6. Divide the whole equation by 2. So 6 over 2 is 3. So we have x plus 3. The absolute value is 3. So from here we set two values. We have x plus 3 equals positive 3 and x plus 3 equals negative 3. Here, transposing 3 to the other side, we have x is equal to 3 minus 3. So we have x is equals to 0. So the other value on the right hand side, solve for x. Transposing 3 to the right hand side, we have x is equal to negative 3 minus 3. So we have x is equals negative 6. So these are the answers. Now let's go to the last and fourth equation. We have here the absolute value of x squared minus 1 equals negative 3. And so what's the solution to this equation? Here the right hand side is a negative number. So based on the rule, an absolute value function cannot be equal negative number. So no solution to this equation. And so that's all for now. And for those new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.